Welcome to Redline Review. The world has never seen anything like the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, which blends ultra-premium living with hypercar DNA. This limited edition RV was made for billionaires, well-known entertainers, and progressive collectors. It is a magnificent fusion of design, performance, and luxury. Performance and powertrain. Unlike traditional motorhomes, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome refuses to compromise comfort for performance. It is built on a special carbon aluminum monocoque chassis and features a version of Bugatti's well-known powertrain. 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 hybrid engine, 1,100 pound-feet of torque, 1,200 plus horsepower, and a safety-limited, electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Transmission, 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic. The drivetrain is all-wheel drive. It takes less than 5 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, which is unparalleled for a motorhome. Thanks to its advanced adjustable air suspension, active aerodynamics, and carbon ceramic brakes, this RV provides an amazing blend of speed and stability. The interior of the moving mansion. The cabin honors French craftsmanship by combining cutting-edge technology with a level of luxury that is rarely found outside of private aircraft or mega yachts. Elegant lounge, personalized crystal bar with integrated champagne cooler. Hand-stitched Bugatti leather chairs with carbon fiber trim. Biometric entry, retractable table, and mood lighting. 65-inch roll-away OLED display with 4D Dolby Atmos audio. And a panoramic electrochromic ceiling with a starry effect mirror-finished walls with hidden smart screens. A full-width king-size bed with memory foam and silk bedding. A walk-in wardrobe with automated lighting and humidity control. An ambient aroma diffuser and automated blackout curtains. Carbon fiber accents on Italian marble worktops in a high-end kitchen. Gaggenau appliances such as an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and microwave. An espresso machine and wine preservation system. A dining table that folds out to seat 4 people. A heated floor, smart glass privacy walls, a steam shower and waterfall with mood lighting, a bidet toilet with gold accents, and an integrated touchscreen mirror with media and skincare support are all features of the spa-level bathroom. Intelligent technologies and systems. Solar-tiled roof with lithium-ion battery backup. AI-powered smart control system. Bugatti Life for full voice and app integration. 5G plus satellite internet with augmented reality overlays. Full automation, including automated concierge services, water management, power control, and leveling. Facial recognition entry, superior features and security. 2 systems for suppressing fires, engine and cabin. Med drone alert and emergency health monitoring system. 360-degree LiDAR and thermal detection system. Autonomous driving at low speeds for parking and navigating cities. The target audience ideal for hypercar collectors, billionaires seeking out distinctive mobile luxury, VIP globe tours, and red carpet events, luxury brands, and leading influencers on global campaigns. The estimated cost varies from $5 million to $8 million plus dollars, depending on the level of customization. It is expected that only 10 units, all fully customized, will be produced worldwide.